What's up guys, this is Tekkerz Kid, and today I'm going to be having a battle with Romello with power rippers.
And obviously I'm going to win.
No you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No you're not.
100%.
No you're not.
Got you.
Oh,
Got you, boy.
Mello, see that there?
I've actually unboxed a power rippers on my channel and it is pretty good.
That's not fair. That means you're going to win.
Yeah, but I was obviously going to win anyway.
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
So guys, with these power rippers, you can battle and you can race, and today I'm going to beat Lorenzo in this challenge.
Anyways guys, before we get to the video, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications on so you'll be notified every time I make a video. I can't get 50,000 likes in this video. It'll be absolutely amazing. Mello, I was hoping that we could use a forfeit with this, but we've run out of forfeits, so leave in the comment section below what forfeits we need to use. Anyways, do you want to battle, Mello?
Yeah.
Let's get to this video. Anyways, today me and Romello are going to be battling in the battle arena, and here it is. So I've chose these power rippers, the power claw and the liquid metal. Mello, what have you chose?
I chose tarantula and rapid fire. So guys, the rules are you got to pull the ripper into the arena, then it will spin and it will just knock out the other one. The last ripper standing is the winner.
So it's best of three, and then we're going to move on to the race downstairs. Now, let's go. How come I open it properly?
So I'm the winner of opening it first anyway, Lorenzo.
No, I don't think you're going to win the game though. So, Mello, are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
You're going to get knocked out. You're going to get knocked out. Hey! Say no more. Say no more.
No, I'm giving you another round.
That's the best. I'm just too good. I'm too good. Mine was too powerful.
Alright then. So guys, what happened? I didn't pull it properly, and he pulled it like bang, bang. So he went so fast. He pulled it after me. So you basically cheated.
Yeah, but I still would have won anyway.
Okay, round 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't forget best of 3. So Mello, if you win this, you've won.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, lost.
Yes!
You lucky.
Yes!
You lucky.
Yes! Let's go to the next round.
Mine will look
This
like
is the
it.
final round. So if he wins this, he's won this round. If I win this, I've won this round. So come on. See if I can win this.
Mello.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't let him do you over.
Nah, I'm gonna murk him so bad. One hit is flying off.
One hit's fine now.
One hit is flying off.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
3, 2, 1.
Get out my face. Get out my face.
Oh.
Get out my face.
That little mad. You guys got punched out the ring.
I told you I was gonna go.
Do you know what? Technically though, you fell out the ring.
Yeah, but I mine was stopped first.
Technically,
his
you
was-
did it
stop?
after me.
Did you stop?
Do you wanna go again then?
Yeah.
No, I don't. No, I think you won it still.
Yeah, but.
Alright, you're that confident that you want to do it again?
He goes after me.
You're that confident you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Alright, then you're giving him another chance?
Yeah.
Okay. Lorenzo, he's giving you another chance. I think he feels sorry for you.
Yay.
You don't want people feeling sorry for you at all. You ready for this?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Look how late he puts his on. Yours is already opened up.
Yes.
No, it's still spinning.
Yes.
It's still spinning.
Yes.
You're not going to take the win, are you? Play him again. Play him again. Do you know what? Out of this one now, winner takes all on this now.
Yeah.
The winner of this next one is going to be the champion of the battle. Yeah?
Yep.
You ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
I don't think I'm gonna do it.
You don't think you're going to do it?
Nah.
Okay. Listen, I'm watching you, You're dropping yours a bit late.
So no, he
No.
was doing that. He was doing that before.
No, he's dropping it at the right time. It's you. You're dropping yours so late.
You drop it late.
I'll play you after if you think you're bad.
Go on, then.
Yeah, all right, cool. Let's do this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip, man. Are they both opened up? Okay. This looks mad. This looks mad.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Nah, Melo, you dead, man. Nah, you dead, Melo. You dead.
Yes. Yes. Take that, Melo. Take that, Melo. Take that.
You should never, Melo, look at me, yeah. You should never give him a chance on this. Do you know why? Because the amount of times you've lost, yeah, I'll take every victory you can. Don't give him no chances. So when we go downstairs now, yeah, if you win in the race, yeah, don't give him no chance. Make sure you win, innit?
Okay, done. I'll give you a match in.
You want to play me?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Okay, so I've got the brown one here, the brown with the yellow.
It's a tarantula.
Yeah, you got the tarantula?
No.
I've got the tarantula.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this then. 3, 2, 1.
Jeez!
Okay.
Jeez!
Okay. Oh no. Okay. Ah!
Yeah.
No, I'm still in. I'm
That's
still
what
in.
I'm saying.
Ah!
It's still spinning.
Oh no! Oh,
Look, yours
that's
is still-
right.
Yes!
No, but the person's is kind.
Yes!
It's about who stands still, and if you
Yeah.
still, that means you've lost, innit?
Yes, I won. I
it's
beat
sick.
Dan. I beat Melo. I'm the champion of this one.
All right then, you're the champion of this battle part for now. Let's go downstairs, yeah?
Yeah,
Let's
come
do
on
it.
then. So guys, we come to the kitchen and me and Melo are going to race the power rippers across the kitchen floor. We're going to start with this line first and then me and Melo are going to pull the rippers. Then the first power ripper behind this line here is a winner. So it's the line that's behind the bucket. Melo, you ready then?
Yeah.
Come on then. I'm going to thrash you.
In front of me, I have some cookies.
On.
Who wants cookie? Come and get the cookie. Come and get the cookie. You're not having the cookie. Hey, right then, who wants a cookie? Okay, listen to this. Listen to this, yeah. The winner, yeah, gets to have any cookie they like out of this box.
Well, if
It's
you-
not really a big thing, yeah, but the loser's not going to get any cookies at all.
But I like the cookie.
Do you know, I would say you could eat the whole box, but you know what I mean? You probably end up looking like me after it.
No, I like to eat the one with the chocolate chips in it. I like them.
The chocolate chip cookie. So, the winner, just to make it a little bit more interesting, is
Yeah.
going to get a cookie of their choice.
Yay!
Okay? Yeah?
Which is not going to be you.
Yeah? Oh, actually, let's make it even more interesting. Let's say, actually, yeah, the person that loses this is not allowed to have a single one of these cookies at all whatsoever. Yeah? At all whatsoever. So, the winner and the twins and the mom and me will enjoy eating these cookies, whilst the loser will watch us enjoying
Why
them.
look at me for?
I'm not looking at you. I'm not looking at you. Alright, so make it interesting. And we'll say, yeah, best of 3 races again.
Yeah.
Okay, so best of 3 races. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Well, that was a fail. Let's go again. No, you gotta get past the actual finish line. Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1, in.
Ow!
Oh, Melo's gone. Melo's gone.
Get in there. Hey, let's go. We're not doing a battle.
Alright then, you've got 2 more rounds. I've got to win this round.
Right then, Melo, if you win this,
Yeah.
you've won the race.
Yeah.
Okay, which will take it through
Yeah.
to a bonus round again.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Always bonus round between you two. Okay, Lorenzo, you need to get a win in this one. As it stands, if Melo wins this, it's going to end up a draw because obviously, Lorenzo, you went upstairs in the battle, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who wants those cookies? 3, 2, 1, spin! Melo's won again! Melo's won again! Oh, you should make this interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was a draw between you two.
Yeah.
Melo,
Yeah.
you won that last race, and Lorenzo,
I
you
won the
won
start.
the one to start, yeah, the battle. Okay, now this is going to be funny. You know, I don't even want to be in the camera of this part. This is about you two. It's not even about me. It's about you two. Right then, this is going to be crazy funny. Now, it's now out of both your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, the fate of who will have these cookies is going to rest on Beanie Man.
Yes. Thank you, please.
Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the power rippers. So pass me your power ripper. Okay, so in my hand, the brown one is yours, Romello.
Yep.
Yes. Tarantula. And the orange one is yours, Lorenzo, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, yeah, is smother the power rippers in meatballs. And the first one, which Beanie Man goes to, will be today's winner. Okay, so it's out of your hands now, and Beanie Man is gonna decide. This is gonna be so funny, it's unbelievable. Are you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Let's get those meatballs then. All right, let's get the meatballs and use that. Let's get those meatballs. Right here. Oh, Beanie Man's gonna love this.
I know.
Beanie Man's gonna love this. He does. Who do you think is gonna go too fast? Yours, Mello, or yours, Lorenzo?
He likes me.
He likes you better. Do you know, I'm gonna let you sit behind each of your power rippers as well.
Yeah.
So we'll see who he likes more. So the meatball juices all over the power ripper. Mello, get that grease right in there. Get that grease right in there. Beanie Man's gonna love it. Beanie Man's gonna love it.
Make sure you get a little bit of meat in there. Gordon Ramsay.
Make sure it's covered.
Meat. Give him some meat, Gordon Ramsay.
Cool. You know who Gordon Ramsay is, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Who is it? Who is it?
Cooker.
He's a cooker.
Aaron Ramsay's brother.
Aaron Ramsay's brother.
Oh, I want a meatball on this.
Yeah, you want to eat one?
Can I take one?
No. Oh, Beanie Man. Hello, Beanie Man. Beans. Beanie Man. Come on, mate. Come, mate. He can smell something. You can tell he can smell them meatballs. He's sniffing around. Where's he gonna go to? Let him find the plate. Who's he gonna go to? Oh, he's moving. Oh, this is gonna be funny. What's he gonna do? Oh, he's just sitting down. Beans, you're just sitting down. Really? All right, do you know what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll this power ripper right through the middle, and then see who comes to first. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Beanie Man, come on!
It looks you.
What's he doing? It just walked past. Can you really not smell that? Look at him. Now that didn't work. So instead now, you two, I'm gonna give you the meatball to put on your plate and see who comes to first. Yeah? Alright, let's do it. Come on. What's he doing? What's he gonna do? Oh, he's at the meatball! Has he? Oh. Yeah? He won! Oh my days, Beanie Man has saved you, Mello. Beanie Man has saved you.
Yeah, he likes this one of that as well.
Yeah, alright.
I've won, guys. I can't believe it. I've actually won the challenge.
Yes,
First time
you've won.
on my channel.
Big thanks to Beanie Man now.
Yes.
Yeah, Beanie Man, shout out to Beanie Man.
He should start his own Instagram. It's true.
He started my channel as well.
I know, yeah. Beanie Man started his own channel. That was fun though, that was fun.
So guys, that was really fun. And when it's horrible and wet outside, these are the kind of things you should do.
That's right. It's good fun in the house, isn't it? When it's boring outside and it's wet and windy, or you could just dance, either way. But anyways, it was good fun.
So big shout out to Power Reapers for sending me these Power Reapers, and I absolutely love them. And if you want to check it out, the link will be in the description below.
You get the cookies to share with the rest of your family.
I don't really want one.
Yes, you do. You liar, you. You said you don't really want one. Ooh, give me them cookies. There you are, Ma. Oh dear.
So guys, as you know, you can't win them all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.
New book.